This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
All right, so let's just, here is my website. It's just this one, it's just, it doesn't matter. So I click here from the right side, right? I want it to be from the left side. So I go to design, site styles, and I'm just trying to find mobile menu or something like this. Mobile menu icon general. This is our settings, or these are our settings to be precise, okay? So I want it to be from the left. Just do save, design, and I'm okay. So just slide in from the left. Go here again, and from the right. Save, design, close, open. All right, simple as that. Thank you so much.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.